Hello and welcome to Caching Waves. Just wanted to give you guys a micro look at HBAR. You can check my previous videos for the larger term counts, but right now we're focusing on just what's going on this week down at the 15-minute levels. Well, from our high back in August, around the 15th there, we had a three-wave move down for a W, then an X move up, three-wave move up, and we're looking for a Y wave. Now I've had a couple different ways I've been able to count this. It's just a mess, as you can see, but this is the best count I've found and what I expect to happen this week and what I'm going to look for to confirm that bias. First of all, we had a wave down. We had a running flat for our B. As you can see, we had three waves down, 5 waves up. It's the best count I have for that current price action. We also hit right between the 1.236 and the 382 for our B wave, which is ideal for a running flat. After that, we had this move. We had 5 waves down. We had a 1-2. This is either 5 waves or a 1-2-1-2. It's really hard to tell the difference this far down in the micro, but just using extensions to get a better idea of where we're at. So it's either a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5 down for our third, or this is also a 1 expanded flat 2, 3, 4, 5. Either way, not much of a difference. For our third, and we had a running flat fourth working on our fifth. It's the best count I've found over everything, just making sense of it all. Now going to linear, our 1-2 extended off our 2 wave. The third wave hit the 2.618 extension, which leads me to believe this is the correct count, as that is a probable target for our Fibonacci. We then had our expanded flat for our 4, 3, 3, 5, working on our fifth, looking for 5 waves down here to complete. As you can see, we're staying in our trend line as well, which is perfect. Going back to log scale, zooming right down, let's go to the 5-minute, working on our 5th wave here. Looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right here is our wave 1, wave 2 up. See which fib levels we hit there. Sorry guys, I didn't put this in yet. I'll just do it in real time for you. Just bear with me. Right on the low there. We got our 50, 382, and our 60. Put that in white so we can see it. Extend that. So hitting pretty ideal there. We have the 50, as you can see, we tagged right between the 50 and the 618. So that's looking good for potentially done our wave 2 and coming down for our third of our 5th. Targets on that is the 1.618 at 4.52 cents, and our 5th coming in at 4.37 cents on log, a little less than that on linear. So we're looking to complete like so. Right there. As you can see on log, that's a 786 level. Just zooming out a little bit. Let's go to the 4-hour. Sorry for the mess. Just have a lot of things I'm tracking, but the 786 of this upwave here is what that is targeting, which is a common level for a B wave. On the larger trend, you can see our third starting to drop here. And this 618 is the larger time frame where we bounced off initially here. going way back to the beginning. That's the 618. So I'm expecting a reaction there to the upside afterwards to complete our B wave. So after this, the 2.236 in this area, between the 4.37 cents and 4.45 cents, I'm looking for a reaction to us to start our next up move. I'm not going to explain what that is right now. Just subscribe if you want to see that, or check my older videos. But what I'm looking for after this move is completed, I'll go down to the 5-minute to show you to get my long. Again, I want to see 5 waves here. Got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What I want to see after that is a break above support, and then we go. And by break above, I mean the previous 4th wave. I want to see a break above this previous 4th wave of the downtrend. I want to see us explode out of it pretty hard, like a V cut, and then find support at that level to take my entry at around the 618 of that up move, whichever one it is. So we'll be looking for support in here, looking for the 618 of this for my entry, stop at the low. So that's what I'm looking for this week, guys. Make sure to subscribe if you don't want to miss my videos about this entry I'm taking. It's going to be a nice trade if this count is accurate, because this will go up potentially to 11 cents, but that's for another video. So that's what I'm looking for, guys. You can scalp this short if you like to. You just have to realize that once we come down here, if you're in the short, once we come down to start really moving aggressively in our third, you'll want to lower your stop to the top of wave 1. As you know, wave 4 cannot overlap with wave 1, and it doesn't look like an ending diagonal, so I'd expect an impulse here. Anyways, sorry for rambling on. Thanks for watching, guys, and make sure to subscribe if you want to get updates on HBAR. Cheers.